So hello guys, long time no see. So yan guys. So for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng website guys. This is not a simple website guys. This website guys can rank guys on Google. So any website guys for local business. So pwede niyang gawin guys. So example guys is itong website natin guys. Itong website portfolio na ginawa natin guys. As you can see, this is the example guys. Yan, as you can see, we can create a lot of pages guys using this tool. Yan o. Meron tayong sa portfolio, sa pricing. Actually, we can create a lot of blogs using these tools. Then, resources, location pages. So, anything guys. It can create also tools. Yan, all in one. Pwede nyong ilapag or gawin sa website guys. Idagdag nyo sa website nyo. Ayan. So, this is a living guys example of a project guys using the tool guys. So, yung tool na, yung gagamitin natin guys is Google AI Studio guys. Yan. Actually guys, I think Google spending millions or billions for this tool or for this platform guys. Pero pwede natin magamit guys for free. So as a digital marketer guys, business owner, web developer or any individual guys na pwedeng gumawa ng portfolio or website. So pwede nyo tong gawin guys for free. So, binigay ito ni Google. So, gagamitin natin guys. Ayan. So, ito guys, ito yung example. Madami pa kong example guys. Example, ito guys oh. Ayan. As you can see. Ayan. Ito guys, itong website na to guys is ginawa guys using the tool. Ayan. With zero coding knowledge guys. So, walang coding skills na ginamit dito guys. It's just a one sentence prompt based on guys, template na ginamit natin guys. Ito yung outcome guys ng website. As you can see oh, napakaangas nito guys. So kung ako yung business owner guys, yan. Why not? So why not use this tool guys to create websites? So based on your wants or based on your wanted design, mga ganyan. So based on your imagination guys, kung ano yung gusto na ilapag nyo sa website nyo or forma ng website nyo guys, yan. Ito na ang gagamitin guys, yan. So there's a lot of tools guys that we can use. Pwede din, you can use Claude, you can use any AI platform guys that can create websites. Lovable AI, mga ganyan. So, pero guys, may mga bayad yun guys. So ito, libre lang, binigay ni Google. Yan. So, ito guys, si Google AI Studio guys. But before that guys, make sure guys, meron kayong dami account sa Gmail guys. Kahit dami or free account sa Gmail or sa Google. Yan. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is type nyo lang open kayo ng Chrome browser. Yan. Search kayo Google AI Studio. Yan. So, first result guys, yan. Yan na yan guys, yung Google AI Studio. Actually guys, yung Google AI Studio guys, gamit na siya guys for creating tools or apps. But when I test it out guys, pwede pala siyang gawin nyo guys pwede nyo siyang turuan na gumawa ng website guys. So any website guys, business websites, portfolio websites, so anything guys, pwede nyo magawa dito. Ayan, simple lang guys, prompt without coding knowledge guys. So yan. So, but before that, meron akong template guys para magawa ko to guys. Itong website na to. Yan, as you can see. Kung i-rate nyo to guys, for me guys, napakaangas guys. SEO features, Matic, meron na lahat guys. Ito, dito sa hero section niya guys, meron siyang H1, meron siyang dito guys, short, short content. for the service guys. Yan. Hook or hook. Then sa right side, meron naman siyang image dito. As you can see. So, CTA, forms or booking CTAs. Meron na siya dito guys. Yan. Trust signals guys. Ito. Mga trust signals yan. AAT. Alam naman natin Google AAT is very strict guys. So, pag ang website mo is walang AAT signals, so good luck. Hindi ka magra-rank sa Google. Ayan. Unique selling points as you can see. Before, after. Napakaangas guys. Services. So, yan. May link naman dito guys. Visit nyo to guys. Ilalapag ko to sa video. Yan, visit nyo yan guys kung gaano ka lupit tong website na to guys. So, it's just a single prompt guys. One sentence prompt. Ayun, ito na yung kalalabasan. Ayan. So, but before that guys, I am using, para ma-achieve to, I am using this template guys. Local landing page template guys. From SEO Hustlers. Yan. So, ito yung ginawa nilang template guys for local SEO websites for any business guys. Ayan. Itong example guys is sa cleaning service as you can see. Sa cleaning service niya guys. So, ang gagawin ko guys is ida-download ko to guys. So, tapos na ako mag-download. Meron ako niyan. Ito yung download file ko guys. Ayan. So, next is very simple guys. Punta ka sa Google AI Studio. Click mo yung apps. Tapos, create new app. Basta sa may app ka lang guys. Yan, pwede ka na dito. So, ang dami ko na nagawa guys. More than 20 na yung website na ginawa ko dito. Very live example guys. Itong website ko, as you can see. Kung titingnan nyo yan sa Google guys. Yan o. Naka-index yan guys. Yan o. So, how many pages index guys? As you can see, 74 pages. Diba? So, this website is created by Google AI Studio. Made by Google. So, these websites guys must be favorable also by Google. So, that's why, yan, na-index siya guys sa Google. Yan. As you can see, 74 pages indexed by Google. So, yan. So, let's proceed guys. So, click create new app, yung plus icon. So, yung prompt natin guys, before doing prompting guys, ilapag muna natin dito yung na-download natin na landing page template guys. Ito. So, yung i-prompt na guys, simple lang guys. So, sasabihan lang natin si Google AI Studio na strictly use the attach local landing page template. Yan. I want you to create a website for a ano bang example? For example, plumber. So, dental clinic. For example, dental clinic. Dental clinic in Cebu. Yan. So, yan lang yung prompt natin guys, yan one sentence lang yan. Pero Google AI Studio guys, recommend or suggest another features guys. So, ano yung features? Features, a booking system and highlights are professional whitening services. So, maya na yan, ito lang muna. Ito lang muna guys, strictly use the attached local landing page template. I want you to create a website for a dental clinic in Cebu. Ayan o. So, enter natin guys. Ayan. So, timer natin siya guys. Kung gaano siya kabilis mag-create ng website guys. Ayan. Stopwatch. Start timer now. Ayan. So, yan. So, at the left side guys, dito, so, nag-start na siyang gumawa guys. So, this tool guys is powered by Gemini 3.5 Plus. As you can see. Yan, ito yung gamit niya guys. So, yan. So, yan may design siya dito guys. As you can see. Pinapapili na tayo niyang design. Yan. So, itong design niya guys. So, tingnan natin. Natural and tunes. Professional polish. Yan So, ako gusto ko to guys, professional polish yung natin guys, gagamitin. So, select this design. Yan. Yan, start na siya guys na gumawa ng website guys. Ayan. So working as you can see. So ito yung sample guys as you can see oh. 'Di ba? So kung natatanong kayo guys, paano ko to ni live? As you can see live to guys, as you can see. Pag open ko ng incognito, ayan, live yan guys. Yan. Pwede nyo ito ma-open guys. Isi-share ko to after the video guys. Sa comment section guys, isi-share ko tong link na to guys. So marami pa akong ginawa na website guys. Tulad ng ganito guys. Yan. This is actually a ready website guys for a local business targeting pet groomer or pet grooming business or niche or industry guys. Yan. So itong website din to guys, ito yung personal portfolio natin guys. This is using Google AI Studio din guys. Yan. Napakaangas guys. Yung blog post ko guys, I prompt it guys, pero may ready na talaga ako na content dito guys. Pinaprompt ko lang si Google AI Studio na gumawa ng blog. So as you can see oh, ito yung blog post natin oh. Yan, napakaangas guys. The structure of the blog, the internal linking, the data, galing to sa content natin, pero siya yung gumawa ng table of content, siya yung gumawa ng TLDR, ng arrangement. So tayo gumawa nito guys, tayo din gumawa nito. Ito internal linking, yan oh, 'di ba? Napakaganda guys. So may location pages din guys, as you can see. Yan, plano kong gumawa ng maraming location pages guys. Titestingin ko lang guys kung gaano to mag statan magra-rank sa Google guys itong website na to guys, website portfolio natin. Ita-try ko lang talaga. Yan oh, may mga portfolio tayo, pricing page. Yan. Actually, detailed na tong website to guys. Pwede na to. Ito working to guys. Makaka-receive na ako ng email dito guys. So, prinam ko lang yung nag-prompt din ako nito guys sa Google AI Studio para gumawa siya ng form. Yan, tapos I integrate na lang other third-party tools guys para gumana tong form na to. Actually, may Google Search Console na rin to guys. Google Search Console. Yan o. Ayan, as you can see guys oh. Yan o. Nagra-rank talaga siya guys sa Google. As you can see oh, may 65.3 impressions na tayo guys for this website guys in just I think 28 days or 1 month. Yan o. Yan. So may traction talaga siya guys. So yung pages naman niya guys, as you can see guys oh. Yan. All submitted pages. As you can see, 55 pages indexed by Google guys. So using this tool talaga guys, itong Google AI Studio to make websites, pwede talaga siyang mag-rank sa Google. Yan. 'Di ba sulit? Partida guys, yung mga pages dito guys, hindi pa well optimized. As you can see, 10 content pa to guys. Yan. I think yung naka-advantage lang dito guys, yung internal linking. Yan o, connect-connect ng mga pages ba. Ayun o, yun yung internal linking guys. Paano mo siya i-connect sa mga iba't ibang pages guys. Yan. Ito yung nakaka-help guys. Kaya maraming pages na na-index sa Google. Yan. Yan, meron na din tayong guys, Google Analytics dito guys. Google Analytics tsaka Google Tag Manager guys. Anyone guys, fill up this form then click offer now. So marireceive ko guys. Matcha-track ko rin kung ilan sila sa Google Analytics, including any customers or any users who call. At mata-track din guys sa Google Analytics. So may tracking tool na tong website na to guys. Yan. Mata-track ko na kung ilan yung nag-contact sa akin guys. Ayan. Through Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager setup guys. Ayan, so 5 minutes na guys. So tingnan natin. So yan, nag-working pa rin siya guys. So left side, nag-create siya ng metadata. Ayan, source types. Mga components guys like booking, modal, header, hero section, services before and after, how it works. As you can see, Why choose us, testimonials, map area. As you can see guys, pinalo nyo yung template natin guys. Ito. Yan. Isa-isa niyang pinalo guys yung template. Yan. Ganyan kalupit ang Google AI Studio guys. So, pag may template ka, prompt ka lang ng one sentence. Make sure may word na strictly guys para ipapalo ni Google AI Studio guys yung template na gusto mo sa website. Yan. So, wait lang natin siya guys. So, 6 minutes. Yan. So, kung magtatanong kayo guys, after niyan Retily, paano yan? Paano yan i-host? Paano yan i-live sa Google or paano yan i-live sa internet? So yan. So next step guys is bili tayo ng domain. So for example, plumbing. So if you are a plumber guys, if you are a business owner and you are running a business which is a plumbing business guys, and your target location guys is in Cebu. So best option guys or best recommended guys na domain na gagamitin natin guys, ito guys, make sure guys na yung domain na gagamitin natin guys, example dito, dito tayo sa Namecheap. Ayan. Itong Namecheap guys, dito tayo pipili ng mga domain guys if available pa ba sila. For example, plumbing ako. I have a business. I have a plan to guys, I have a plan to ano ba yan, to build my own business guys in Cebu which is a plumbing business. So first guys, first nyo yung gawin guys, yung business name, di ba? Business name. So make sure guys, yung business name nyo guys is my plumbing. Tapos target area or target location which is Cebu. So plumber Cebu. Ganyan. Yan. Plumber Cebu. So yan yung typical or recommended na domain. Pero itong plumber Cebu guys, I think hindi na to available. So, kung titingnan natin guys. So, ito yung domain guys. Yung domain guys is katulad nito guys. Ito. retellykimbo.com. Ayan. Yan yung domain. So, yan. So, as you can see guys, ayan guys. Available pa pala guys yung Plumber Cebu. So, if you are a business guys, business owner, tapos may plano kayong gumawa ng business, which is plumber. Tapos, yung service area nyo is sa Cebu. So, ito yung best domain nyo guys para sa inyo. Ayan, plumbercebu.com or plumbercebu.ph. Ayan, if nasa Pilipinas lang yung target nyo. Ayan o. Pero guys, mahal yung yearly niya guys. Oh. As you can see, mahal. Pag may .ph. Ayan, pero if business kayo guys, if business minded kayo, ayan, sulit to guys. Kasi matik to guys. If nag-search kayo may mga customers na naghahanap ng plumber or plumbing tapos nasa Cebu sila, yung ita-type nila guys, plumber Cebu or plumber near me. Mga ganyan, plumber near me. So for example, ito yung ita-type sa customer, plumber near me. So yung nagse-search is nasa Cebu. So matik yan, ang magra-rank dito guys, is yung any business guys na may plumber yung business name tapos located in Cebu. So, bigyan ko kayo ng example guys ha. As you can see, tingnan nyo yung nagta-top 3 sa Google. Tingnan nyo yung domain. cebuplumber.com. Diba? May plumber tapos may location area which is Cebu. Diba? So, according to Google guys, bawal daw ito. Bawal. Pero tingnan nyo kung sino yung nagta-top number 3 sa plumber near me sa Cebu, 'di ba? Cebu plumber. Yan. I think ganyan kagago si Google guys kung paano siya. I think bias si Google. For me, bias si Google talaga sa mga updates nila. So, kaya hindi dapat totally maniwala sa Google updates guys. So, your judgment, guys, will be based on your experiment, guys. Eksperimento lang talaga, guys. Yan. Yan yung technique, guys. Kasi pag most of the time, nagpapalo kayo ng Google guidelines, 100%. So, it means bumibigay kayo, guys, sa Google. Tapos, yung hindi natin alam, yung update pala ni Google is hindi accurate or hindi consistent. So, kaya, Example nito, sabi nila, bawal na daw ito kasi, kuwanto, so, bawal na itong mga domain na ganito kasi mapipinalize daw ni Google. Pero, yan o, living legend guys, living evidence. Nagra-rank ito, top 3 pa. Yan. Ito din oh. So, Cebu Home Builders yan. So, okay yan. So, ito lang talaga, Cebu Plumber. Tingnan nyo. So, ganyan. So, pag pumili kayo ng domain, make sure may keyword at location. Basta local business yung business nyo, guys. Ayan. Pag local business kayo, business-minded kayo, gusto kong gumawa ng business, think of business names, guys, na nandun yung keyword na, guys, na hinahanap ng mga tao, guys. For example, plumber in Cebu, ganyan. Plumber, tapos location is Cebu. Di ba? So, yan. Yan, pili kayo ng domain. After that, bilhin nyo yan, guys. Bilhin nyo yan. After nan, yan, simple lang talaga. Bili tayo ng hosting. Host natin ng website. Yan. Tapos, in one day, guys, or maybe not one day, 8 hours, meron na kayong websites. Tapos, pwede pang mag-rank sa Google. I guarantee it, guys. Pwede kayong mag-rank sa Google using this app na libre na binigay ni Google, guys, yung Google AI Studio. So actually marami namang mga website builder ngayon, guys, AI na pwede natin gamitin, guys. Pwede tayong gumamit ng Claude, Lovable AI, ang dami na, guys, pero ang naka-disadvantage, guys, if may budget ba kayo, guys, for that. So if wala kayong budget para sa paggawa ng websites. So ito, Google AI Studio, guys. Ayan. So yan, 12 minutes na. Hindi pa rin natapos, guys. So wait lang tayo, guys. Tsaga-tsaga lang tayo. So I think 12 minutes or 8 hours or 1 day is good enough, guys, compared to, for example, nagpapabuild kayo ng websites for a web developer. Yan, so 8 takes, I think 15 days. So depending on the number of pages, guys, na ipapagawa nyo at saka features ng websites, like for example, may mga payment options or payment portal, mga ganyan. May maraming features like mga tools, may maraming mga pages, mga ganyan. Yung design is yan, basta mahirap yung design. So tatagal yan, guys. So ito, using this tool, guys, wala na. Masosolve talaga yung problema nyo, guys. Ayan. So, yung technique ko talaga dito, guys, yung technique ko talaga dito, itong website ko ito, kung paano ko to ginawa, guys, paano ko to, yeah. So, yung process ko talaga dito, guys, three process lang talaga, guys. So, first is Google AI Studio. Yan. Ayan, Google AI Studio. Then, after yan, guys, GitHub. Ayan. So, after sa GitHub, guys, Hostinger. Ayan. Domain pa pala, domain. Buy a domain. Yung sinabi ko kanina na pag bumili kayo ng domain, make sure nandun yung keyword. If you are a local business, guys, if may business kayo, guys, so make sure, guys, na yung business nyo, guys, or domain nyo is may guys, may keyword tsaka location. Pag local business owner kayo, guys. Local business owners like dental clinic or dentist, plumbers, ano pa ba? Any local business like a pet groomer business, pet shop. So anything local business, guys, alam nyo na yan. Madaming mga local business ngayon, guys, na pwede nyong gawin. Chiropractor, ano pa ba? Mga hospital clinics, mga ganyan, kahit ano, sa health industry, sa e-commerce, pwede din, mga pet store, mga ganyan. So, So, pwede guys. Pwede nyo talagang gawin yan guys. Ano ba to? Ayan. So, after that, tapos hostinger guys. Yan. Ito lang yung process ko guys. Paano ko ginawa itong kan guys. So, first, ito, Google AI Studio guys. Ah, ito yung first ginawa natin guys. So, next guys, pagkatapos makakuan guys, is GitHub tayo guys. Yan. Save natin sa GitHub. So, next is buy tayo ng domain. Make sure nandun yung keyword tsaka target locations if we are a local business owner. Tapos, i-host natin guys yung website sa Hostinger guys. Yan, para mag-live siya sa Google. Yan lang yung process guys. Paano ko to ginawa yung portfolio na to guys. Yan. So, tapos na guys. 16 minutes. Tingnan natin guys. So, yun. Napakalupit guys. Ito na yung website guys na ginawa niya guys. So, tingnan natin in a full preview mode. Yan o. Yan. Diba? Napakalupit guys oh. Yan. Diba? So, may pakuan pa siya dito guys oh. May ano ba to? Yung, anong tawag ba to sa conversion, sa marketing strategy? Yung may pa-hook ba or urgent na CTA yata to? Yung, ito. First time patient special. So, may kan siya dito, promo. Get 500 pesos off cleaning, for cleaning. Yan. First cleaning and pre-dental consultation as you can see. Yan. So, 16 minutes guys. Tapos na. As you can see, meron siyang may navigation dito guys. Yan. Meron siyang hero section dito. Ito, eyebrow section. Cebu's #1 rated dental tourism and dental digital clinic. World-class smile design in prosthetic comfort. Yan. Actually guys, pwede nyo ito yung palitan. Yan, pwede ito palitan ito. Pwede nyo mapalitan. So, may content siya dito. Rating. Yan. Trustworthy rating. CTA button. As you can see. Sa right side naman, meron siyang image dito. As you can see. Pwede siya, animated siya. Oh. Pag clinic mo yan guys. Yan, gumagalaw siya. Ayan. Advanced care. So, may unique selling point siya guys. As you can see sa template natin. Yan o. Di ba? May unique selling point siya. Yan, ito. Di ba? So, kung i-compare natin siya guys, kung titingnan nyo, yan o. Yan. After that guys, meron siya ditong recurring cleaning service. So, another sections for content. So, as you can see, expert treatment, exceptional pain, affiliated specialty services. Yan o. Yan, meron siyang mga services guys. As you can see, premium eco-friendly deep cleaning. May pricing din siya dito. Yan o. Diba? So, estimate generator. Meron siya dito guys oh. Yan. Meron siyang estimator dito guys. For example, ito. As you can see. Yan o. Tapos, book section. Automatic. Yan. So, aesthetic dental transformation in Cebu. Yan o. Another section dito guys. Yan. I think case study to guys. Ayan. Before and after. Ayan. Before and after section guys. Ayan. Pwede niyang gawan niya guys. So, major, how dental clinic works. Yan, meron siya dito guys. Consultation, advanced 3D mapping, gentle treatment and care. Ayan, di ba? So, why us section? Ito. So, yan. So, detailed comparison for each competitors niya guys. Meron siya dito guys. Yan. So, testimony, ito guys, itong section na to guys is sa team section guys. Kung sino-sino yung nasa dental clinic na mga dentist. Ayan. Yan, meron siyang tracker dito guys. I think sa map to guys kung saan natin malolocate yung clinic niya guys. Ayan. Meron din ditong operating hours, contact details. Yan. So, may referral din siya dito. Pwede nyo itong i-remove. Pwede nyo i-as-is na lang dyan guys. Ayan. Yan. Pwede din career section guys. Meron siya dito. Yan. So, frequently asked questions, ito. Pinaka-importante guys, kung gusto nyo mag-rank sa EI ngayon, ito. Importante ito. Then, ito. Yan. Sa footer section. So, ganyan siya kabilis guys. In just 16 minutes, meron na tayong website guys. Ayan. Pero guys, as you can see guys, single page applications lang to guys. Single page applications. As you can see, one pager lang. Pero guys, pwede nyo itong i-multiple pages. Yan o, katulad ng website natin guys. Multiple pages to guys. Pag inopen nyo yung sitemap, as you can see, ayan, di ba? Ang daming pages niya, no? Yan, more than 60 ata pages niyan eh. Or 50 plus. So as you can see, each kwan guys, may unique URL yan guys. Tapos SEO-optimize pa yan. As you can see, oh. SEO-optimize yan lahat. Yung page natin guys. Ang napakaganda guys, pwede nyo yang i-from guys using Google AI Studio guys dito. Yan. Dito na guys. So, ito na yung kwan guys. Dito nyo na yan i-prompt yung mga gusto nyong gawin sa website guys. For example, mag-a-add kayo ng section. Pwede kayo dito mag-prompt. Yan. So, pwede nyo tong ipa-remove. For example, gusto ko tong ipa-remove. Ito, patient referral engine. So, kindly remove the patient referral engine. Yan. Pwede nyo niyang ipa-remove guys. Yan. I-remove nyo yan guys sa website nyo guys. Ayan. So, wait lang natin siya guys. Kung paano niya yan i-remove. Ayan, di ba? Wala akong code na ginamit guys. Ito, itong itong design na to guys, ang daming CSS nito guys. Yung mga design, yan. Ang daming CSS. So, if hindi kayo web developer, yan, mahirapan kayo guys. So, ito, binigay ito ni Google. So, gamitin natin guys para gumawa ng websites. Yan o. Di ba? Yan. So, di ba? Nawala na guys. Oh, nawala na. Di ba? So, pwede kayong mag-add, pwede kayong mag-remove, pwede kayong mag-add ng any sections or elements dito guys. Yan. Pwede kayong mag-add dito, may navigation, ganyan. So, yan. Yan guys. So paano to guys? Paano to i-live? So, for me guys, kung gusto niyo wala pa kayong pera, wala pa kayong domain, wala pa kayong ibabayad, yan. So, ito yung tip ko guys. So, para ma-download nyo to guys, punta kayo dito sa code. Tapos, export. Tapos, download as zip file. Ito. Click nyo yan. So, yan. Saan nyo yan? I-download yan. Kayo yan ang bahala guys. Yan. So, yan. Meron ako dito guys. Download section. Ayan. So, saan natin to i-host guys? So, yan. I-host natin to guys sa Netlify. Yan. You can use Netlify guys for free. So, you can sign up using your Google account. Yan. Yan o. So, meron akong Netlify. Ito na yung dashboard niya. As you can see, dashboard niya to guys. Ito yung una makikita nyo guys. So, right side, ito, add new project. Click nyo yan, guys. After nyo maklik, guys, as you can see, guys, ito, upload project files. Yan, ito. So, open nyo yung download. Yan. Di ba, ito yun. Ito yung download files nyo, guys. Ito. Ayan, ito. So, ang gagawin nyo dito, guys, is i-drop nyo lang yan, guys. Ganyan. Oh. Pak. So, after ma-drop nyo, guys, ayan, i-deploy na niya yung website nyo, guys. Excuse me. Ayan. So, as you can see, wait lang tayo. So, installing NPM packages. Ayan. So, wala nang rason, guys. Wala nang rason na hindi kayo makagawa ng sarili nyong portfolio or website. So, if you want, if you need a website, if you want a website, yan, ito. Ito yung gagawin nyo. Wala na kayong babayaran, guys. Kahit ₱1 pa yan, kahit ₱1, wala na kayong babayaran. Libre na lahat. Pwede na kayong makagawa ng website. Pero look, if you are a business owner, so hindi to pwede, guys, na ganito lang yung website nyo kasi need nyo i-index yung website nyo sa Google. Ipapakita nyo yan sa mga customers nyo, guys. So, itong process ko, yung pinakita ko kanina, ito yung process nyo, guys, na susundin. Ayan. Google AI Studio, ginawa natin kanina, prompt tayo ng website, i-upload natin yung ginawa natin sa GitHub or i-connect natin yung Google AI Studio code or website sa GitHub. Pili tayo ng domain, make sure meron yung keyword, tsaka location if we are a local business owner. After that, if wala pa kayong hostinger, guys, bili kayo ng hostinger, guys. Ito yung recommended ko, guys. Yan. So, hindi ako nagpo-promote, guys, ha. Wala akong promotion dito. Ito lang yung talaga ko, guys. Kasi meron akong hostinger, eh. Meron akong hostinger, guys. I think 4 years, 8,000 pesos only for 4 years. Yeah, hostinger. I think, yeah. Tingnan natin, hostinger natin, guys. Yan. Ayan, sabi niya, guys, tapos na daw siya, guys, pero hindi pa. Tingnan natin. Bakit hindi pa siya tapos? Yan, wait lang natin yan, guys, ha. Papakita ko yung hostinger ko, guys. Yan, oh. So, ito yung ito yung hostinger natin, guys. So, yan, billing natin. Tingnan natin billing natin, guys, oh. Ayan, PayPal pa yung binayad natin, guys. Saan ba yung dito, guys? So, dito na tayo sa hostinger pricing. So, web hosting. Marami namang web hosting, guys, pero if if you use this one, guys, yung ginawa natin, so hostinger talaga yung the best. Easy friendly lang siya, guys. Yes, easy friendly lang siya talaga. So, pricing, ito, guys, web hosting. So, ito. I think itong premium yung ginamit ko, guys. Web hosting. I think hindi to, eh. Ito pala, guys. Itong cloud yung binili ko, guys. Yan, tingnan natin. Kasi I think nagbago na yung kan, eh. Hindi tong cloud. Hindi to yung binili natin guys. I think ito, yung premium. Naiba yung kanya guys. Hindi ito nung una, hindi ito ganito. Yeah, ito yun. Premium plan. Ito yun guys, premium plan yung ginamit natin. So ang daming ko ano, ang dami ng discount oh, as you can see. So maganda yung Hostinger guys. Ayan. So yan, refresh natin guys. Bakit kaya naglalag guys? Tingnan natin. Ayan, tapos na guys. So ito na yung website natin guys oh. So punta tayo sa project overview. Dapat i-click natin guys yan. Dental Clinic Cebu. So pwede ko tong gamitin ng name ko, Rightly Dental Clinic Cebu update. Ayan. Tapos oh, actually pwede kayong gumamit dito guys oh, yan oh, domain. Pero for me guys, wag kayo dito mag-host kasi pag dito kayo mag-host, hindi mo ma-update yung website. Yan. Hindi mo ma-update yung website guys pag dito kayo nag-host. So make sure hindi diyan. Sa Hostinger dapat guys. So yan, live na guys. So ito na yung website natin guys oh. Ayan, 'di ba? Same lang dito guys. 'Di ba? Ito yung preview natin guys. Yan, 'di ba? Ito na yung live, yan oh. Yan, same lang yan guys. Yan. 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 Yan, 'di ba? So hindi pa to na-refresh ng una eh. So yan. So yun lang guys. So if gusto niyo kuan guys, gamitin tong ah guide natin guys. Yan. So that's it for today guys. So I hope may natutunan naman kayo guys. So thank you so much and have a nice day.